It's Thredup Thursday. Yes, y'all, it's Thredup Thursday. How's it Thursday already? But it is. And today we're going to be opening a Thredup Fun Box. These are one of my favorites. And if you're not familiar with the Fun Box, it is 10 miscellaneous items that you get from Thredup. You don't really ever know what you're going to get. They are $34 plus shipping and plus tax. So, this one's kind of heavy, you guys. So I'm interested to see what is in here. We will cut the tape and find out. If you happen to be new here, my name's Christina, and I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube, Poshmark, eBay, Depop, Mercari, and the Referral. And welcome. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and join me. And if you're not new here, we're going to have a good time. Hopefully this is a really fun box. Before we get into the box, I always like to point out what I'm wearing. So today I'm wearing one of my favorite necklaces that I purchased off of Shop Goodwill. It was not part of a lot. It was just there, and I felt like I really had to have it. It is full of onyx, which many of you know I love, and some smoky quartz beads, and then these big chunks of labradorite. They have pretty good flash in them, so hopefully while I'm unboxing, you guys will get a few flashes of blue. I just have some simple onyx studs in my ear, a beautiful onyx heart ring, and then my brand new Tiffany onyx bracelet. This is my latest pickup from the Reselling that I got with one of my shopping credits. And one other announcement is I will be announcing at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned to the end, the winner of the Louis Vuitton giveaway. So make sure to stay tuned to the end so you can see if you won. Okay. Thank you to everybody who commented and participated as part of that collab. It was so much fun. So very, very happy. I'm going to cut the tape on this and then we will do first peeks together. If you are new here and you're not familiar with my channel, I do sell from my videos. So whatever I pull out of this box will be for sale. I will either give a verbal price or I will put a price on the screen. If you are interested in purchasing something, you just need to send an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I do my invoicing through PayPal. Items under a pound are $6 shipping, and items over a pound are $9 shipping. All right, y'all, let's open this one. All right, we have our polka dot tissue, and we're ready to go. All right, hope it's a good one. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I love the pink and green stripe. It looks like maybe it's a tote of some sort. Looks like we've got some socks, a purse strap, a belt. So lots of accessories, which I love. I'm going to take a couple of thumbnails and then we're going to unbox this together. Okay, let's get into this one. Let's start with the socks, you guys. These say there are 6 pair of ankle boot socks. Guys, these are really nice and thick. I love these. Weatherproof vintage. I have gotten that brand before. Let's see. They are a soft cotton blend and they fit women's shoe size 5 to 9.5. Okay, and so let's do $8. $8 for the ankle boot socks. You guys, these are nice. Look how thick those are. I like that you have the different variety of colors, and I like it's almost like a knitted blend. I love that. Okay, so $8 for the pack of socks. You get 5 pairs, so I feel like that's a pretty good deal. All right, I feel like we have to go for this bag that's on the top as well. It's big. Okay, pink and green striped. Shut up. No way. You guys, we got designer. This is SEZANE. Okay, I have a few pieces of their jewelry that I've sold before. This is Bonjour New York is what it says on the tote. And this is a SEZANE tote. Okay, well, this should pay for the box. Or at least close to it. It'll pay for some of the box. Oh my gosh. I literally just pulled this out like, oh, you guys, we have a ton of totes inside the tote. That's awesome. Okay, so we have the SEZANE tote. Beautiful. Love the pink and the green stripe. Inside is very clean. Okay, may or may not have ever been used, not sure. So I will comp out the SEZANE tote and have a price on the screen for this one. Okay, well, this box is a winner already. I love the socks. I love the SEZANE tote. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what other totes they sent us, you guys. They sent us this woven tote. This one says Paris Milano. It's in the shape, the triangle shape of like a Prada. Okay, so you have a designer vibe on this one. And they tried to make the R look like Prada. That's cute. I like that. Okay, let's see if I see any branding on the inside. Maybe there's a tag or something. Does not look like it. So if anyone's interested in the reusable tote, okay, which would be great for like groceries or shopping, that looks like Prada, but it says Paris Milano. We will save $5 on this one. $5 on that tote. I love that one. Then we have a denim tote. This one has a happy face on it. That's super cute. Oh, and this one's Madewell, you guys. This says Madewell Insider. I don't know what insider means. Not sure. Maybe like one of their like membership clubs or something. I don't know. But it looks very clean on the inside. This is awesome. So we have a Madewell Insider happy face tote. We'll say, you know what? We'll just say $5 for this one also. Okay. Love that. I like the happy face. And we got another Madewell Insider. This one is new with tags. It says, thanks a million. We totally appreciate you being a Madewell Insider and showing us so much love. So yeah, I don't know. Or maybe an influencer type program. Not sure. This says eye-catching, you guys. I love this. This is great. Again, it's got the tag. So on this one, since it's new with tags, we're going to do $8 on this one. Okay. Y'all, we got a designer tote full of other totes. That's awesome. Okay. Next, we have a belt. This feels nice. This is leather for sure. We have a woven leather belt, which that's great. I don't see any sort of branding or anything like that. Oh, the buckle is like a horn, you guys. That is so cool. This is how it fastens. This is a really nice belt. Okay. Wraps around like this. Okay. So you can like attach it really anywhere that you want. So the longest length that it can be is 45 inches. Okay. So you can adjust it anywhere along here. And this is awesome, you guys. I love that. That's so cool. I actually just sold a horn necklace on eBay. It's one I think I had previously unboxed. It sold for $32. And then when I was out thrifting, you guys, I just saw another horn necklace. I didn't pick that one up though, but it was really pretty as well. So horn belt. I'll have a price on the screen for this one. Okay. Okay, next item. It looks like maybe we got some sunglasses. These are, oh, I don't know this brand. Sojo's. See the Extraordinary. Okay, let's see if they are actually that brand. Sometimes, you know, you get a different brand inside the dust bag, and these are not marked, so they might not be Sojo's. No, I don't see any branding on these. So we're going to go that these are fashion, like an unbranded. They're really cute. They're kind of like a structured aviator. I feel like I would wear these. If nobody buys these, I would probably keep these. I love these. These are great. If anyone's interested in the sunglasses, I will include the dust bag, even though I don't think that these are that brand Sojo. I don't see any branding. They do have this really cute cutout here. The part that goes over your ear. So, love those. All right. So if anyone's interested in these, we're going to say $6. $6 on these sunglasses. Oh, you guys, there's some fun stuff in here. Looks like we might have gotten a corset. I love getting corsets in these boxes. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. Next up, it looks like we have two like purse straps. That's awesome. Okay, this first one is an animal print. Kind of like a pixelated animal print. Very cool. Love the metallic. It's almost like 3 different metallics on here. This one is branded, and this is by the brand Adorned. Okay. Right there. It is really nice. Like kind of like the guitar strap. That's great. So if anybody's interested in the Adorned purse strap, let's say $8. $8 on that one. I love the animal print. We have another animal print. This one's new. This one's really cool. It's almost got like embroidery here, and then you have the metallic kind of glitter gold that goes straight through the middle. I don't see any branding on this one. I don't want to take it out of its little container, but you can see the edging is gold here, and then the hardware is also gold. So we'll say $5 on this one. Okay, it is new and unbranded. Okay, $5 for that one. So we got 2 purse straps, you guys. That's awesome. All right, let's go for the corset. Also new with tags. Okay, y'all, one time I got a $400 corset in one of these boxes. That was crazy. This is by Corset Story, and it says own it. You are beautiful and powerful. Own it. It says spiral steel bones provide support, flexibility, and strength. They help the garment to keep shape while being comfortable to wear. Okay, very cool. I will have to look this up because you never know. Let's see what size this is. This is a 22-inch. And it is, it's 100% natural latex, you guys. Love this. It's in a nude color. It is beautiful. I love this. I love the feel of it too. So I will look this one up and have a price on the screen for that one. All right. Then we've got some headbands, y'all. You know, I love my headbands. Got one in today. Okay. Gosh, we have 3. Okay, and these are all in kind of a nude color. The first one is a padded headband. Okay. It's got a really pretty texture, like fabric texture on it. I don't see any branding or anything, but it's got a ribbon detail on the inside. So we'll say $4 for this one. Then we have this one that's got the top knot here. It's got, again, kind of a neutral or a khaki color, and it's got a white piping on the edging. This one has a little tag on it, so maybe it was like made by somebody, and they were asking $11. So this one is brand new, and I'll just keep it the same. We'll do this one also for $4. Then, y'all, this one is so cute. I wish I had more hair because I love this one. It's very soft. Okay, you have the top knot. It's like a sweater. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That's too much for me, but I love it. Somebody who has a lot of hair needs this. I love this one. Again, no branding on it, and I'll just keep it the same, and we'll say $4. Ooh, love that one. Okay, a couple things of jewelry and a watch. Okay, so it looks like the first one is a pair of earrings. Okay, these are little Christmas trees. So cute. It kind of goes with the sweater headband, right? All right, let's see. I don't see any branding on these, but look how cute those are. Oh, those are adorable. I love these. I like the little like spiral for the tree. We'll just say $3. $3 on those. Then we have a heart necklace, you guys. I love heart jewelry, obviously. Okay. Oh, this is really pretty. Let me make sure all the rhinestones are there. Looks like they are. Looks like all the rhinestones are there. Isn't that beautiful? It's nice and thick. Heart. Love that. It is on just a black cord. I don't see any branding or anything like that. I feel like maybe you want to take it off of this and put it on something else. But I love that. This would be great to clip to like a bag too and like use it as a bag charm. We'll just say $3. Love that one. Maybe I'll make it into a bag charm if nobody buys it. We'll see. All right, next up we have a watch. Okay, this one says Charter Club. Oh, we've got a Charter Club watch. Okay, it's got the little like rhinestone detail all around. It looks like it's in good condition. Doesn't look like any scratching on the crystal. There's not much wear at all to the bezel. Looks like everything looks great. You've got the two-tone gold and silver band, and then you even have some inset rhinestones there. So my watches I sell as is because I'm just assuming that they need a battery. So we'll just say $5. $5 on the Charter Club watch. Okay, you guys, that was the box. How did that go so fast? I don't know. Let's count how many items we got. Okay, we got the corset for 1. We got the heart necklace for 2. The Christmas tree earrings for 3. The watch for 4. Then we got the baggie of headbands for 5. We got the baggie of purse straps for 6. We got the belt for 7. And then we got the bundle of totes for 8. And then we got the socks for 9. So wait a minute. Oh, and the sunglasses. We got the sunglasses for 10. So 10 items, except really I got more because they included multiple purse straps. They included multiple totes, which was amazing. And they included multiple headbands. So in my opinion, this is a winner. That SEZANE Tote is awesome. And I don't know, overall, I thought this was a really good box. So let me know what you guys think. I will be back again on Tuesday doing a Thredup mixed jewelry box and opening one of these mystery jewelry jars along with it. So make sure to tune in Tuesday and we will look at some jewelry. And stay tuned now. I'm going to pull the giveaway winner for the Louis Vuitton giveaway. Bye, y'all.